before going into the examination, you should solve all the questions based on numerical, based on formula. The first important point is you should practice past 5-year question paper. If you want to draw electric circuit, so you have to represent all the symbols. Hello dear students, today we are going to learn perfect strategy for CBSE board examination for subject physics. If we talk about physics, so physics is the subject in which we have numerical type question, diagram based question, as well as conceptual question. So you have to revise according to this category. I think you all have questions, sir, how to attempt physics. So let's start. So the first thing is unit and chapters included. So in physics, we have 2 units. Unit number 3, that is natural phenomena, is of 12 marks. This unit have 2 chapters. One is reflection and refraction of light, and the second is the human eye and the colorful world. Unit number 4, that is effects of current, is of 13 marks. This unit also have 2 chapters. One is electricity and the second is magnetic effects of electric current. Next is, if we talk about unit wise weightage, so you can see here, if we talk about natural phenomena, so the weightage of natural phenomena is 48% and weightage of effects of current is 52%. So you can see clearly both the units have equal weightage. So you have to focus equally on both the chapters, right? Then portion distribution. If we talk about physics, as I told you, we can divide physics in 3 categories. One is numerical ability, second is diagram based question, third is conceptual question. So before going into the examination, you should solve all the questions based on numerical, based on formula. You should draw all the diagrams before going into the examination, and you should revise all the conceptual type questions, right? Then if we talk about paper pattern, that is very important. This is the paper pattern of science. So you can see here, maximum marks 80 and time 3 hours. Then instruction, you have to read all the instruction very carefully. First instruction, you can see here, this paper consists of total 39 questions, right? And they are dividing this paper in 5 sections. If we talk about section A, so section A consists of 20 objective type question carrying 1 mark each. Okay. If we talk about section B, so section B consists of 6 very short answer type question carrying 2 marks each, right? If we talk about section C, so section C consists of 7 short answer type question carrying 3 marks each, right? Then section D consists of 3 long answer type question, right? And these 3 questions carrying 5 marks each, right? Then section E consists of 3 source based or case based units of assessment of 4 marks each and with subparts. Okay, so this is the complete paper pattern, right? Then attempting physics. So the first important point is you should practice past 5-year question paper. That is very important, right? And these papers are available on official website cbse.gov.in. So you should practice all the past year question paper. After that, while attempting the paper, you should set time limit and you should give that complete paper in that particular time limit. That is very important. After that, you have to detect all your weaknesses, all your weak point, right? And you should work on all these points. This is very important part of your paper attempting, right? After that, I think you all have questions, sir, on which topic we should revise, on which topic we should practice numerical. So these are some topics. So first is Ohm's law, right? This is very main part of physics, Ohm's law. Then resistance formula based question, stretching, right? Then combination of various resistances connected in either in series or in parallel. Okay, CBSE can ask minimum 1 question based on series or in parallel combination. So you should practice numerical based on series or in parallel combination, right? After that, you can see heating effects of electric current, right? After that, electric power. These are the topics. Then lens and mirror formula. This is also very, very important. Lens and mirror formula. There are 2 formula you should revise. Mirror formula based question and also sign convention. Okay, if you know the sign convention, then only you can apply mirror formula and lens formula. After that, refractive index, questions based on refractive index. After that, correction of eye defects. Okay, so these are the topics on which you should practice numerical. After that, if we talk about diagrams, so the first is setup of an electric circuit. This is very important. Okay, if you want to draw electric circuit, so you have to represent all the symbols like battery, key in a perfect. If circuit is closed, so you have to use close key. If circuit is open, so you should use open key. Okay, you have to use positive negative sign to represent battery. Okay, you have to join voltmeter in parallel combination. You should join ammeter in series combination, like that, right? After that, Ohm's law circuit, right? Then VI characteristic graph, VI curve is also very important. After that, magnetic field lines around a bar magnet and solenoid diagram based on this topic, right? You should also practice. After that, you can see here magnetic field lines around straight current carrying conductor and circular loop. Okay, they can ask question based on magnetic field lines, so you should practice diagram based on magnetic field lines. After that, domestic electric circuit diagram. Then you can practice images formed by different mirrors and lens. This is also very important. Ray diagrams are also very important. Image formation by convex mirror as well as convex lens. Image formation by concave mirror as well as by concave lens are very important. Okay, so you should practice all the ray diagrams. Ray diagrams are very important. Then myopia, hypermetropia. After that, human eye. So these are the topics on which you can practice diagram. After that, if we talk about conceptual question, so you should revise question based on verification of Ohm's law, then factors on which resistance depend, right? After that, advantages of AC over DC. Then activities of magnetic field of electric current, magnetic field lines, right? Activities are given in NCERT. You should revise all the activities from NCERT textbook. They can ask minimum one question from activities. Okay. After that, right hand thumb rule, you have to memorize this rule. Then Fleming's left hand rule. Then dispersion of white light through a glass prism. Okay. Atmospheric refraction and its effect. Then rainbow formation. So these are the conceptual questions you should revise before going into the exam, right? Then memorize all the rules, right? We have right hand thumb rule, so you should memorize right hand thumb rule and Fleming's left hand rule. Okay. Then in choice based question, if you have choice between numerical and theoretical question, so it's my suggestion, if you know complete solution of numerical, then you should solve numerical. If you don't know the complete solution, so you should attempt conceptual or theoretical question. So that's all from my side. Still, if you have any query, you can comment down below. We will surely reply you within 24 hours. All the best for your upcoming board examination. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.